Sembark is introducing a powerful new feature, Total FOC, and here's how it works. Now, at the time of adding a new query to the system, while selecting number of packs, you will find a new option to add Total FOC. After filling in all the other details, go ahead and save the query. Now, on the basic detail page, FOC details will be visible. Now, once you start creating a new quote after filling all the details, in the pricing strategy, you will see a new section of Total FOC is added. Here you can update number accordingly. Once your quote is saved, these details will be reflected in PDF/WhatsApp/email/Word under the pricing section.